friends, it's me again, Mahika, and today I will be teaching you how to make cherries. This is how it's going to be looking like. These are super easy and super cute to make. You can make these into earrings too if you have 2 of them. So, yeah, this is what you will need. 1 hook, 6 red rubber bands, 2 greens. Light green or dark green, it does not matter. So, we'll take 1 red rubber band, put it on your hook, and twist it 3 times. So, you will have 3 hoops, or loops. And then, you will take your next 2 red rubber bands, hook them on, like that, and just pull them on. And then, you pull that down, put that over, like that. Then you can just pull that 3 hoop rubber band and you will see see these 4 hoops, or yeah, something like that. And then you will take this green, hook it on like that, and pull all of these red rubber bands on it. Just gonna pull them on. Like that. And then you will just take that and just put it over. Like that. And then you will want to pull that 3 hoop rubber band again. And then if you want to create a slip knot, which we are going to do to tie these together so they won't get out, the rubber bands, you will take the second part of this green, take it off the hook, and pull super tightly like that. There, that is your 1 cherry. Like that. And then you will want to adjust it by spreading the 3 hoops rubber band thing out like that. That's 1 cherry. Now you will begin your next. So remember, take 1 red rubber band, loop it around 3 times so you see 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Then you will take 2 red rubber bands like that and pull them on. Like that. Like that. And put that like that. Now you will take your green rubber band, put it on. Like that. And then now you will create a slip knot by taking the second part of the green off and pulling tight. And now you have your second cherry. And now if you want to join these together, you will have to put both of them on the hook and create a slip knot. So this is how you create a slip knot for the cherries to be together. You take the second cherry on the hook, take it off, don't pull or do anything like that. Take them off the hook so you see it's joined like that. You see this one right here that you didn't do anything with? You just put that on that cherry like that and pull. And there you go, you have your cherries. Cute and easy and simple too. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe and like down below. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.